friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to turn on or turn off game and app notification when using Facebook account. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get app and websites. Go down a little bit till we get this table, game and app notification. If you want to turn off, just press on this icon, turn off. Then press again on turn off, this icon. Now you already turn off game and app notification when using Facebook account. If you want to turn on, just press on turn on. Then press on turn on again. Now you enable game and app notification. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to turn on or turn off game and app notification when using Facebook account. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.